554 came from? 12 into 4, 52, right? 12 orders, per order cost is $12.54. So let's calculate that. So I have also, yes, I have also just note down the notes here. Yes, 452. Answer is 5424. Product design. The product design. So the product design rate is 760, right? And they gave us how many orders? They gave us 4 orders of long life, because short start, it doesn't need any design changes. 4 orders of long life. So 760 multiplied by 4, answer is 3040. Order size, the order size based on machine hours, right? How many machine hours are used to complete AutoAcme orders? 288 for short start and 164 long life. It's 448. So per rate hour is 6.5. So 448 multiplied by 6.5. Answer would be 2919. Right, guys? And customer relation, since this is one customer, so per unit customer relation cost is 1,540. So we just multiply one customer multiplied by 1540. Answer would be 1540. So if you less all these, whether it is giving us a loss or giving us a profit. So in our next slide, we will find out that, okay, there is a customer margin. Beside the product margin, this customer is also giving us some profit, which is $384, right? If it's in million, then 384 million. If not million, then just $384 is giving us product margin. Sorry, customer margin. Right, guys? So ABC can be used, from different ways, because it not only include the, direct cost, it also includes indirect cost as well, right? So we have a class participation activity here, and what you need to do, you need to just take a picture, and you are required to use ABC costing system to compute customer margin. So all the data is given here. So I'm going to be making the breakout room. All you need to do is a group activity, right? Please take a picture. I'm opening the breakout rooms. Here we go. Okay, guys, do you have the picture? Do you guys have the picture?
Yeah.
Okay, please share. One of you guys share your screen here. So I'm going to give you 15 minutes to complete this class participation. So guys, okay, you already have the picture. So please, this is a group activity, and I'm going to give you 15 minutes to complete that one. If you can already complete that one, please return to the main session.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay, guys. So I just heard, I'm not sure how to do that.
Yeah, that was me.
Okay. So please give it a try. We just did that. How we are going to calculate the customer margin? So customer related sales and customer related expenses. You just need to minus that one. That's it.
Minus what?
Customer related sales minus customer related expenses. That's it.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So read the question and then we'll try to do that. So we already given the sale price, right?
Yeah.
Good. You know, the second table here, you already given the sale price, also the quantity,
Mm-hmm.
number of gliders 20, and selling price of the glider is 1850. Custom design is 2400 and order are 3. So you can find out customer sales minus customer related activity pool cost, the first table.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right? Already the cost and the units already given to you. All you need to do, you find out the appropriate numbers that are going to be used. That's it. For example, here, supporting direct labors, 26 per direct labor hours. So if you go to the second table, direct labor hours, 26.35 are going to, 26.35 hours are used. So supporting direct labor's cost is going to be 26.35 multiplied by 26. That's it.
Could you repeat that, sir? 20.
I think
20.
let me share the picture.
Yeah.
I think in that I would do that. So, okay, can you see a screen here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All you need to do. So, what is the sales? This is the sale price. This is the number of orders that Big Sky Outfitters gave us, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sales of standard model and sales of custom design. Sale gonna be 1850 multiplied by 20,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
For custom design, it is 2400 multiplied by 3, right? So total sales is going to be from, because we are computing customer margin, not the product margin, okay?
Okay.
Right? So total sales is going to be in addition of this one. Can you calculate that?
Okay.
Okay. Then we need to less the direct labor hours. Sorry, direct material cost multiplied by this multiplied by this, right? Sales.
Yeah.
So direct material, direct labor, and minus ABC manufacturing overhead cost. That's it. ABC costing are given here. Direct labor is also here. And do we have how many direct labor hours are used here? Direct labor per direct labor hour cost is how much? Do we have here the cost? No. Then it's just, it means
We
we don't
have
have direct labor hours. We just have here.
19.50.
Where
The
is it?
company's direct rate. It's on the left, like before required.
Oh, yes. See, direct labors are labor hours, sorry, direct labor cost going to be for 26.35 multiplied by 1950 plus 28 multiplied by 1950. That is going to be direct labor cost. Direct material also, you can find out here. Per glider, and how many gliders they order? 20. Custom design, 3. You can also find out the direct material as well. all you need to do, you need to multiply and find out the ABC cost. So total supporting direct labor hours, how much? 26 per direct labor hours. 26 multiplied by 26.35. Order processing cost going to be 284 per order. And how many orders they gave us? 1 plus 3, 4 orders. Custom design is only implemented to custom design product, only 3. So you multiply this 186 multiplied by 3. You understand that? And customer service, since this is only one customer, you just multiply this with 1. All the costs you did, you deducted with total sales, that is customer margin. Understand that?
Yeah.
So please do that. I'm gonna give you 10 minutes. I pretty much explained 90% of this problem. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
thanks.
Okay, so I'm gonna stop share. Please share your own picture. Okay, everyone, you understand what's going on?
Sir, we didn't understand.
What? Guys,
Yes, sir.
you understand?
No, we didn't.
We didn't? Okay, let me
Yeah.
share this PPT with you guys, and I'm gonna be telling you what's going on. What we are trying to do, are trying to do to compute customer margin. And how we calculate the margin? Sale minus all the cost, right? This is not contribution margin, this is customer margin. It means customer profit. So what is the total sales to this customer? The customer is Big Sky, right? So how we calculate the sales? He gave the number of gliders, he ordered 20 and 3 customs, right? Selling price is 1,850 and for customer 2,400. So sales gonna be
20 times
1,850 multiplied by 20 plus
3 times
multiplied by 2,400, right guys?
Yeah.
So now we need to deduct all the costs. So first of all, from sales you deduct direct material and direct labor, because that is going to be easy and it's traceable as well, right? Sale minus direct labor minus direct material. So how many labor hours are used on both of
It's
the
like 28, right?
26.35 and 28 on customer design, right?
56.35.
56 point.
No, 54.35.
So per unit labor hour is 19 point. You can also find out the direct material, right? What is direct material? Per glider direct material is 564. 564 times 20 plus 634